Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and purchase the USS Midway Museum tickets online. So if you want to go ahead and skip all the annoying queues and long lines, you can go ahead and purchase the tickets using the first link you're going to see right here down in the description. So once you have opened up that link, it's going to take you to this page right here. From where we can get started with purchasing the tickets by clicking the check availability option. So this is going to enable us to take a look at all the available dates we can purchase the tickets for. So let's say I want to purchase tickets for the 7th right here. It's going to enable me to select what kind of tickets I want. Let's say only one adult without any children, and then I'm going to click the next button. This is going to enable us to take a look at all the similar experiences that we can go and save money on if you're interested. So if you're not, just click the no thanks option and then click next. Once you've clicked next, it's going to take you to this page. From this page, we can get started with filling out all our personal info, such as first name, last name, phone number, and so on. Make sure to fill all of that out and then click the next option, which is going to enable you to take a look at all the payment methods that are available. So you're going to see Apple Pay, debit, credit card, or PayPal. Select which one you prefer the most. I'm going to select the debit option right here, and this is going to enable me to fill out all the necessary info. So once I've done so, I can click the pay option, and once I have paid and successfully made a payment on my email address that I have used for registering this account, I'm going to receive my tickets. So go right here down in the description of this video, find the first link you see, and it's going to take you to this page right here from where you can get started purchasing your tickets. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.